Hi, this is TCL 40C and I'll show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So open first the control panel and find here the screen recorder icon. Hold it for a while and before start the screen recording, you'll see here the sound section. Just tap on it. And now we have selected here the microphone. So for example, to command something, you could use the system sounds or also system sounds and microphone together. And if you want, sure, you could just switch it to the mute and to record only the mute videos. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.